Alright, after the git merge and the drawbacks of that, I told you we have a new command called rebase. So to test that, I have created another repository. So I'm going to copy this command to make this clone. I will clear this stuff. I will go back to the labs. Okay, I'm going to clone this. Cloning git rebase test completed. I'm going to go inside that cd git rebase tab. Okay, rebase test. I'm inside the master branch. I will open this one with the code editor and we know what to do. We will do the same things that we have done when we did the merge test. Okay, I'm going to create the index.html, type m1, and I'm going to add the changes, do a commit with m1. Okay, push the changes to the master, go back to the repository and refresh whether we get that, just to check that. Just we like it, right? Okay, I'm going to check out and create a new branch called feature, very easy, and we do some changes in the code editor. We create a new file called feature.html and we are going to type a nice code there called f1, and we go back and add the changes. We do the commit for that change -m, message is f1. Okay, so we push the changes as well. Oh, because we don't have that in the repository yet, because we don't have a branch, right? We don't have that branch. We have only master branch. That's why I told you, try to practice with the origin. So then you won't get that error. See? Best practices, okay? Right, we have that. Now we have, yes, 2 branches. If I go to commits, 2 commits. Now I'm going to do that stupid thing again. So I'm going to go to the checkout and master, and I'm going to do some changes in the master branch directly. Go to the index page, m2. Go and add the command, and I'm going to commit the changes with m2. Okay, then I'm going to do another change, m3. So I'm going to do the same thing, add that, and then commit with the message m3, and I'm going to push the changes. Git push origin master. Okay, now we have recreated the issue that we had in the branches. See, we have 2 ways, the feature and the master. So what we are going to do in here in the rebase is, we are going to change the history of the track. What we are going to do is, we are going to apply these feature branches on top of the master latest commit. So the latest commit of the master branch is m3, but the f1 command, f1 commit is right here. What we are going to do, we change this, we apply this on top of the last command of the master, which means we apply f1 on top of m3. So that is rebase. So what we need to do is, first of all, we have to make sure that our branches are updated. So we can just type a pull request and we say whether that we are up to date, already up to date. We can go back to the feature branch and do the same thing. Oh yes, we have to put feature. Okay, so we are already up to date, no worry, and our changes are also there. If I check the git log right here, we have m1 and f1. If I go back to the master git checkout, why my spelling mistakes, checkout master. If I go to log, we can see M1, M2, M3. So we are going to rewrite the history. Very simple. Not like the merge, we are not staying in the master branch for the rebase. We go into the feature branch for this. So we are going to, I will first clear the screen. We go to git checkout and the feature branch. I'm in the feature branch. Now we can use the command called git rebase, and then we type the master branch. So we rebase the master branch into the feature branch. You see the difference between merge and rebase? I hope you do. I'm going to click here, enter. Now what happens? It will do some magic things in the background and applying the feature 1 changes on top of the master branch. If I check the log now right here, wow, it's nice. We have M1, M2, M3, and then F1. See, in the rebase we have applied F1 change on top of M3. So that's the beauty in here. So we can do the same thing right now for the master branch as well. So we have that. We can push the changes and make sure when we push the changes we have in here. Okay, so okay, I'm going to push the changes, git push origin feature. Okay, so it says failed, right? So you have to understand why it's saying failed, because we never know, that branch can be also edited or updated by someone else. So in such cases, they will give us a best practice when we are doing the push to the feature branch after the rebasing. We have to type, there is an option in the code called force-with-lease. We have to type that with the push. Now it is going to be pushed. Okay, it's completed. Now if I go back to the and see what's happened. Wonderful. See the change that is not like the merge. We have a straight line with a nice stack, right? We have M1, M2, M3, and we have F1. So that is rebase. So this is the most used pattern without merge. We use rebase in the development environment, so that is really clean. So try to use rebase when you are developing the stuff.